A retail company tracks the average number of online orders placed per hour across its website. The following data represent the orders per hour for 10 different time slots, which you'll see listed here. Calculate the relative frequency and the percentage for each class. So the intervals or the classes are listed for us, and the frequency was determined from a previous video. To find the relative frequency, we're going to take the frequency that was given to us and divide by the number of trials, which in this case was given to us as the 10 time slots. So our denominator for this computation is going to be 10. So we're going to take the frequency for this class, which is 1, divide by 10, which will give us a decimal value of 1/10. Here, 1 divided by 10 will also give us a decimal value of 1/10 or 0.1. Here we have 3 divided by 10, which is equivalent to 3/10. 2 divided by 10 for this class is 2/10 or 0.2, which is the same value for the next class here. 0 divided by 10 is 0. And then here we have 1/10 or 0.1. Now to convert these relative frequencies to percentages, we're going to multiply each of the relative frequencies by 100 or move the decimal to the right 2 places. So this is 10%, 10%, 30%, 20%, 20%, 0%, and 10%. When we're finished filling out the relative frequency column and the percentage column, it is always a great idea to add those 2 columns up. The relative frequency column should sum to 1 whole, which it does. The percentage column should sum to 100%, which it also does. So in this problem, we were already given the classes or the intervals and their corresponding frequencies. We needed to compute the relative frequency by taking the frequency and dividing by the number of trials, which in this case was the 10 time slots. Once we computed the relative frequency, we converted each of those frequencies to a percentage by multiplying by 100 or moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. And with that, we are done.